At Roche, we want to make sure that all patients have access to the best optimal care based on their individual needs. And to do so, we work with patients, with healthcare professionals, with governments and other stakeholders in the system to understand the complexity, the hurdles, but also to take down these obstacles that prevent patients from getting the best optimal care. And concerning evidence, the way we approach it is that we combine the pioneering science with data, with analytics, and the technologies to advance the research and development, but also take care that innovation can be implemented in healthcare systems. So this requires data around efficacy and safety of healthcare solutions, but also data on the economics part so that systems are willing to invest and implement.